Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this ashy blonde frontal wig I got from the Bell stores. So if this sounds like something you'll be interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. So to prepare the hair before installation, I'll be using my Argan Oil. So I like to use a small amount. So I'm just going to apply it into the hair and then get my Tresemme heat control because I'm going to be drying the hair before I do the cornrows. So to detangle the hair, I'm going to get my hand dryer and a brush. So I'm going to be regulating it from cold to warm air so the heat won't be too much on the hair in as much as we used the heat protectant spray. As I'm done drying, I'm going to then do cornrows. Please let me know if you want to see a detailed video on how to do cornrows, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So we're done with cornrows and we're going to head on to balding. But before that, we're going to shade match the lace with a tint spray. So I'm going to be using the NOB spray in chocolates because she is on the dark side. I love her skin, by the way. It's very beautiful. So this is how the lace came. I'm going to just place it on her head so you see it's ashy on her skin. So we're going to make it look, you know, close to her skin so that it can look seamless and natural. So before using your tint, I advise you shake it very well so everything can mix up together so it can give you a fine finish. So now I'm going to prep the skin before the installation. So I have a detailed video on how to bald, which I'm going to leave up there so you guys can go watch it and learn how to do bald cap method. So now I just cleaned it with a clean wipe. So I'm going to go in with the Love Beauty skin protectant spray. So I just like to dab it so it can sit into the skin before we now get the glue and then apply it. So this adhesive is also from Love Beauty. So this is how I like to do my application. First, I like to put it directly on the bald cap where it started from. So I just spread it out and then let it clear. So I'm going to do like a second glue application because for this install, I did just 2 applications. So the next one I'm going to just use it to like map out her hairline and then spread it out. So once it clears, I'm going to get the unit and then apply it on it.
So long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a.
So now we're going to apply the unit. So I like to make sure that whatever I give to the left, I give also to the right. So I try to, you know, get the middle of her head rather, and then place it. So I'm going to get my control pin and then secure it down so it doesn't disturb me when I'm doing this other side. So now I'm going to carefully place it so it can sit properly. So then I'm going to ask the model to like place a finger there so that one can sit down without moving, so that by the time I'm doing the other one, we won't have anything shifting from this other end. So I'm going to go ahead and then do the other side and then tie with an elastic band before I start cutting. So the reason why it's advisable to always tie with an elastic band is because you want it to, stick to her skin because you have the glue already. So if you don't tie it and allow it sit for like 1 minute, when you're doing this, it's going to move. So I'm just trying to make sure the bald cap is seated well. Then I'm going to tie it down before I now come back to cut it.
To paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise.
So before I cut, I like to use my hot comb to like tame the hairs backwards so that I can see what I am doing properly. So then when I want to start cutting, I like to start from both ends, like the ear part. So I like to section it first so I can see what I am cutting, because I wouldn't want to overcut that part or injure my client.
Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise. Let's fly away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve deserve a break from my old ways. Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you.
So yeah, we're done with both ends, so let's focus on the front. So first I like to section it so that I can get the middle correctly, because I'm trying to create a widow's peak, so I wouldn't want one side to be longer than the other part. So after sectioning, I'll just start cutting. So when you're cutting, you have to pay attention to it. Frontal is one thing you do and you have to be present, because if you're not present, you might end up, you know, spoiling it. So whatever I give to this side, I like to also give it to the other side. So I try my best, even though it's not going to look the same, but at least it's going to look close to what we have on the other end. So whatever I cut here, I try to mimic it on the other end so it can look, you know, the same and natural. So you guys, I filmed this video in 4K. I actually don't know why I did it, but right now I'm struggling with space and I'm still trying to understand how the laptop works. So I am trying not to use an external hard drive. So we're going to have a part 2. That's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see on my channel? Don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all, and I'll see you in the part 2. Bye bye.
Paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah.